Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Ты любишь яблоки? Часть вторая, страница 81, 82, 83. English, Starlight 3. Do you like apples? Homework, part number 2, page number 81, 82, 83. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 81, 81. Exercise number 4. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, показывайте и повторяйте. Fairy cakes, sugar, ice cream, juice, milk, rice, meat, bread. Let's play. I spy with my little eye something beginning with H. A hot dog. The answer. I spy with my little eye something beginning with T. A tomato. I spy with my little eye something beginning with R. Rice. I spy with my little eye something beginning with E. An egg. I spy with my little eye something beginning with M. Milk and meat. I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. Bread and burger. I spy with my little eye something beginning with O. An orange. I spy with my little eye something beginning with J. Juice. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. When do you eat or drink the following things? Complete. Когда вы едите или пьете следующее, выполните. Cake, hot dogs, chicken, ice cream, burgers, pizza, juice, milk, rice, oranges, carrots, meat, tomatoes, bread, eggs, apples, tea, sandwiches. Food anytime, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, never. The answer. Food. Anytime, cake, ice cream, bread, apples. For breakfast, juice, milk, rice, oranges, eggs, tea. For lunch, chicken, burgers, carrots, meat. For dinner, chicken, pizza, rice, meat, tomatoes. Never. Hot dogs, sandwiches. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 82. Grammarland. Present simple. Простое настоящее время. употребляется в случаях, когда мы что-то делаем постоянно, либо любим что-то есть постоянно. For example, I like burgers. Do you like burgers? Yes, I do. Affirmative. I like carrots. Negative. I don't like carrots. Interrogative. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Complete the sentences. Use like or likes. Закончите предложение, используйте like или likes. The answer. Anna likes the piano. Peter likes carrots. I like music. Tatiana and Lilia like red dresses. We like burgers. Inna likes tennis. Alexei and Maxim like football. You like tea. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with like or don't like. Завершите предложение знаками нравится или не нравится. The answer. I don't like milk. You like rice. I don't like apples. You like ice cream. You like sandwiches. I don't like meat. I like chicken. I don't like potatoes. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Make sentences. Составьте предложение. The answer. Do you like burgers? Nikolai likes the guitar. Does Yulia like sausages? I like sandwiches. She doesn't like apples. Do they like tea? Igor doesn't like basketball. They like blue t-shirts. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 83, 83. Fairy cakes. Exercise number 4. Ask and answer, as in the example. Спросите и ответьте, как указано в примере. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. The answer. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like carrots? No, I don't. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. Do you like sandwiches? Yes, I do. Do you like eggs? No, I don't. Do you like burgers? Yes, I do. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. What about you? Make sentences about the food items in exercise number 4. А ты? Составьте предложение о продуктах питания из упражнения номер 4. I like, I don't like. The answer. I like apples, carrots, bananas and sandwiches. I don't like eggs and burgers. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.